Some of the units during operation reach such temperatures that their position may change due to thermal growth. In such cases, when aligning the cold unit, it is necessary to correct the result, considering the change in the position of the unit during thermal expansion. Tap the settings icon. In the upper field, enter the offset values for the shafts due to thermal growth, and in the lower field, enter the associated values. If you know the thermal expansion correction for the machine on which the M unit is installed and for the machine on which the S unit is installed, then enter the values in the fields equal to the difference between the values of the moving and stationary machines, M-S. If you know the correction for the machine on which the S unit is installed, enter the values with the opposite sign in the fields.